YouTube, what's going on? We back once again with another early heat. Flames in the chat. Let's go. This ain't laugh, but flames in the comment. Put some flames in the comment, cause this is some this right here. Man, these right here. Man, if y'all not on these, I don't know what y'all been. I don't know if y'all been living under a rock or wherever y'all been. But y'all probably ain't even seen these yet or even heard of these yet. I'm telling y'all now. Y'all ain't heard of these, because when I heard of them, well, they ain't falling under the radar for me, because I told y'all I go for the indifferent, the cold stuff that ain't nobody else wearing. When I step out this house, I don't want to see somebody with the same shoes I'm wearing. So that entails make me want to find something that nobody else got. I don't know if y'all like me, but it is what it is. And then if you even got them, you ain't gonna lace them like I'm gonna lace them. You ain't gonna keep the shoestrings in them like I got them. So it is what it is. Your socks ain't gonna pop like mine gonna pop. So we ain't gonna even go there. We ain't gonna even go there. Yes, I'm that guy. We here now. So, hey, let's get into these shoes. And yes, if you thought they were what they was, they are what they are. Period. I don't know what I just said, but y'all follow me, forgive me, whatever y'all want to say. We about to get into these. Let's get into these shoes. Let's talk about them. Let's talk about what they mean and all that other good stuff, man. You know, hey. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes. They are here. They have landed. The packs have landed. It's landed. It has landed. Yes. I don't know. Y'all, I don't know if y'all feeling these or if y'all gonna feel them or what. But the color to this is Sail University Gold White. Once again, I swear, the colors sometimes don't resonate what the shoe really is. I don't know. You see a color and you be like, oh, it's an Air Force One. It's going to be off-white and University Gold. Which actually don't sound like a bad color. It do not. But the color don't even get this shoe what it is, man. It don't. Y'all ready to see it? Let's look into it. Let's get into it. I'm gonna talk enough. Hey. Let's get into it. Hey, before we get into this shoe, can y'all do me a favor? Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this. And hey, leave a comment on the bottom, because as you go back, I do respond. You know what I'm saying? Because without y'all, it wouldn't be a shoe. So, let's get into this. Let's get into this box. Let's get into this shoe. I know y'all like if he say it one more time without showing this shoe. Let's get into it. No, bam! We got some Air Force One paper, which is beautiful, by the way. These right here. Do you see the color? Do you see the pop? Y'all ain't ready for it. If y'all was ready for it, y'all will hit the subscribe button. Y'all ready for it? Bam. I told y'all this year, I'm coming with it. I'm bringing the heat all year around. Shout out Black History Month. Let's go. Hey, let's go. BHM, all that. You know what I'm saying? BLM, all that. Let's go. We here. This was a cop off of StockX. Bam. Yes. Y'all thought I wasn't when he was? Stop playing. I don't even think these got a release date yet. And I'm not even joking when I say that. I swear, I ain't even seen a release date for these. They ain't popped up on StockX, none of that. This right here, this force right here is cold. Yes, it's cold. They go hard. Let's get into them. So, as we dig into this shoe, bam, like we said, it got that off white vibe or whatever, that cream vibe on it. On the whole damn shoe, except for that bottom. That's that white, that pure cocaine white on the bottom of that boy. Then on the back, let's go to the back. We ain't gonna even talk about the swoosh yet. Let's go to the back. This is a satin back. Ooh, man. Satin ass, man. Boy, that motherfucker right there. That ain't gonna rip the heads off your ass today, boy. Look at that. That's that satin, boy. That hair gonna be laid down. Booty hair soft, boy. Look at that right there. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Look at that right there. Hey, that red on the inside gives it that whole new look and that whole new flavor. And if you are wondering, what the hell is this shoe called? It's the Air Force One Year of the Tiger. Yes, that's why you got the tiger stripes here and this Nike swoosh. And let's not get into this. Let's get into the tongue. Let's get into the tongue. We're going to go on here. Bam. Look at that tongue. Look at the flavor on that tongue. Yes, the Year of the Tiger. Yes, yes. Y'all see it right there. And bam, you got it on the ass right there. Well, on the hip bone. We're going to call it the hip bone. Yes, you have the tiger in its colorful glory. Y'all see it. If you can't see it, I'm going to put the B-roll in it and you'll see it then. But bam. Yes, yes, yes. This is a dope shoe. If y'all know somebody who got it, go on my IG. I ain't seen nobody with it, so I guess I get it. Hey. And if y'all wondering, Air Force Ones, they kind of run big. Depending on your foot, right? So, I kind of have a wide foot. So, 11.5, which is my size, sometimes just don't fit right. Depending on the type of leather or material it is. Now, if you get a, like this, canvas, I go with a little bigger. Because one, I know I'm not wearing this shoe all the time because it is canvas. But I do want a little room so it don't bend, don't crease on me so much. So, because I have a wide foot. So, when I loosen these up to put my foot in it, it's going to spread already. So, hey. But if you got a skinny foot, you have the option to go down a half size because these do run big. So, Air Force Ones, if y'all know what I'm saying, if y'all wear them, y'all know what it is. But some people do go a half size down because they don't want that creasing. But if you get a quality Air Force One, not just an all white, just to wear to throw it on your feet, you know what I'm saying? I got 10 Air Force Ones all white. That's stupid. That's dumb. It's the same fucking shoe. Don't do it. But, hey, I'm not going to go there. These right here, though, it's cold. They did these justice. I like them. I like all the colors on them. Definitely rocking these with some shorts, with some dog-ass socks. Might get some Tony the Tiger socks with these. They're great. And rock with these. But yeah, you know, Air Force One, Year of the Tiger. Once again, this does not have a release date on it. I don't know when I'm dropping this video, but it hasn't had a release date. If I get some info on a release date, I'll put it up here. But if I don't, sorry. Y'all just gotta go find it on your own. But StockX, I'll leave a link in the description. StockX do have them. That's the only place I've seen them. So, oh, that orange bottom. That's beautiful. That's beautiful right there. Yes, yes. But once again, StockX do have them. I'll leave a link in the description. This your boy, Blacked Out Kickz, coming at y'all with another one. Hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get y'all blessings. Yo, we out.